All right, guys, I want to show you something. The world has changed. We spent a lot of time trying to be discovered on Google search. That was called SEO, Search Engine Optimization. But a lot less people are using Google search. They're using AI. We've heard of this. We know it. I'm going to show you something to prove it. I'm going to type in bakeries near me on Google. And I'm going to get some maps to some places like Pastry Art, Edgar's Bakery, Sunshine Bakery. A couple other bakeries are mentioned like KJ's and Dana's Cake Creations. Now let me do the same thing on ChatGPT. In theory, we should have the same results, right? C's Cakes and Coffee House, La Conchita Bakery, Sunrise Donuts, Delicious Bakery, Sweet Home Scones. None of those were mentioned in the Google search results. The way you show up on AI is completely different. It relies on different information, not keywords. And we know the secret to it. We're starting to do it for our clients now at Lot 22, and we can do it for you. But you need to get on this bandwagon quick. Businesses need to be on ChatGPT and AI fast.